Hey, how's it going there, YouTube? This is your host, VLD, coming back with another video. And today, I have something for you a little bit different of a review. I have a new camera, I have some new equipment, and I'm doing a re-recording of an old video because I've had some complaints about it. I have the PopSocket Plus. I've reviewed a off-brand PopSocket off Amazon for about 20 bucks. So far, I've liked it before in the past. It's a good product. I got it for about $20, and all in all, it basically puts PopSocket with MagSafe before PopSocket came out with their own. It's sturdy and firm, and it's not going to fall off, and it's pretty snug and secure, so your $1,000 phone will not fall off it. But PopSocket itself has finally come out with their own product instead of having an off-brand off Amazon, and I mean, all in all, I do like this device, but I have found something that's even better. And now I have the PopSocket Plus for MagSafe. Basically, you can do PopSocket, you can change out the backs of the actual PopSockets themselves and then interchange them. And on the side, you have your basic information about the device. And on the other side, it's just filler, and just like before. And on the bottom, you have nothing. And I've already opened this, so this is just it in the box itself. So basically, this is what happens when you meet PopSocket meets MagSafe equals this device. You can purchase it from Amazon and or Target for about $30, $35, depending if it goes on sale or not. But basically, it is MagSafe. It meets PopSocket. So the actual holder itself can be interchanged, and it's a thick plastic itself with magnets built into it, and it has rubber texture on the back, so it will not scratch up your phone or your case itself. And just like the old one in which I was using, it's a little bit thinner, it's longer, and it has a better feel to it compared to the other one I've had before, which is just a metal puck with an actual PopSocket glued to it. And with that said, this is just a comparison of the two themselves. The PopSocket itself is longer and also quite thinner, and it has a better build quality to it compared to the other one, which is just a MagSafe magnetic puck itself. And on the back side, you can see it has a nice rubber feature to it, and the actual top of it also is more of a glossy frosted plastic versus just more of a smooth one. And I mean, they were both PopSocket, so take it with a grain of salt, but I am a huge fan of the PopSocket grip itself. I just think it's more of a better product. It seems to have stronger magnets, and it will hold it longer. I've had this for about a few months now, and this is by far one of the best MagSafe accessories I've ever actually owned. And I can't actually grip my phone without actually using it, just because I'm so used to it. And the magnets itself are fairly strong, and even when I'm just bored, you can basically kind of turn it into almost like a fidget spinner. You can turn it to the side and kind of like twist it off a little bit. I know I've done this a lot when I've been bored waiting in line. You just flip it to the side, and if you get bored, you can literally just flick it off and on. And I'm a huge fan of this. This is probably one of the best things I've ever bought, and it's a good product. It's magnets, it's rubber, and it's just hard plastic itself. It's not going anywhere, so once it's secure, it's going to stay on, because like some other cheap off-brand stuff will just fly right off. And to actually remove it itself, I am more of a fan of just twisting it to the side and just pulling it off that way, just because it has stronger magnets. This is your best way of not damaging the product itself. And then just doing it this way, as you can clearly see, I'm doing the MagSafe shake test to make sure it actually is secure or not. And like I said, this is a PopSocket Plus, and I'm a huge fan of it. You can buy it for about 30 some bucks off Target or Amazon. I've been using this old one for a while now. It's a good device, but I just feel the other one is much better. And I'm your host, VLD. I'm signing out. I highly recommend the PopSocket with MagSafe. It's by far an amazing product, and I recommend it for anyone. Thank you. Signing out.